In the murky depths of life's turbulent waters, we often find ourselves entangled in the webs of toxic relationships. These individuals, like venomous serpents, inject poison into our souls, clouding our minds and weakening our spirits. Yet, as disciples of the ancient philosophy of Stoicism, we possess the wisdom and fortitude to navigate these treacherous currents with grace and resilience. Embrace impermanence. In the words of the Stoic sage Epictetus, nothing truly belongs to us except our own thoughts. By recognizing the impermanence of external circumstances and the fleeting nature of human interactions, we liberate ourselves from the shackles of attachment. Toxic people come and go like passing storms. Our inner peace remains steadfast amidst the tempest. Practice detachment. The Stoic Emperor. Marcus Aurelius reminds us, choose not to be harmed, and you won't feel harmed. Don't feel harmed, and you haven't been. Cultivate a mindset of detachment, observing toxic behaviors with impartiality rather than succumbing to emotional turmoil. By distancing ourselves from their negativity, we preserve our inner tranquility. Exercise. Virtue. In the pursuit of wisdom, courage, justice, and temperance, we fortify ourselves against the assaults of toxic influence. As Stoic philosopher Seneca advises, true happiness is to enjoy the present, without anxious dependence upon the future. By embodying these virtues, we cultivate resilience and integrity, transcending the toxicity that surrounds us. Harness the power of perception. Perception shapes reality. By reframing our perspectives, we transform adversity into opportunity. The Stoic principle of the view from above reminds us of our place in the grand tapestry of existence, fostering a sense of humility and interconnectedness. Through the lens of Stoic wisdom, we perceive toxic individuals not as adversaries, but as flawed beings in need of compassion and understanding. Practice mindfulness. In the stillness of the present moment lies the key to inner peace. Through the practice of mindfulness, we anchor ourselves in the here and now, transcending the turmoil of past regrets and future anxieties. By observing our thoughts and emotions with equanimity, we cultivate a reservoir of inner strength, impervious to the corrosive influence of toxic relationships. Cultivate gratitude. Amidst the darkness, seek out the flickering light of gratitude. The Stoic philosopher Epictetus teaches us, he is a wise man who does not grieve for the things which he has not, but rejoices for those which he has. By focusing on the blessings in our lives, we shift our attention away from negativity and towards abundance, fostering a sense of contentment and resilience. Lead by example. As torchbearers of Stoic wisdom, we illuminate the path for others to follow. Through our words and actions, we inspire courage, compassion, and resilience in those around us. By embodying the principles of Stoicism in our interactions, we create a ripple effect of positivity, transcending the toxic cycles of negativity that threaten to engulf us. In the crucible of adversity, we emerge stronger, wiser, and more resilient than before. Stoicism offers not only a philosophy of life, but a roadmap to inner transformation. By embracing these 7 smart ways to deal with toxic people, we reclaim our power, cultivate inner peace, and embark on a journey towards self-mastery and fulfillment. Let us walk this path together as fellow travelers in the pursuit of wisdom and virtue. For in the words of the Stoic philosopher Seneca, we are waves of the same sea, leaves of the same tree, flowers of the same garden. Together we shall weather the storms of adversity and emerge victorious, our spirits unbroken and our souls aflame with the fire of Stoic resilience.